Hello. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. Just seems like it's just been a rough winter this winter, so decided to sit down, get some planning done, and see if maybe that don't help me feel a little bit more ready for the Christmas season. Alright, so I am using this cute little deer. I forget who it's by. These two clips are from the Felty Depot. And then this one is by Kelly Eva Designs. So those will be the clips I'm using this week. And I am going to use, all these stickers are by Brianna Nicole Designz. She is running a 50% off sale. And this is the Peppermint Functional. So it's the washi strips and the extras, the little things, the boxes, the half boxes. And these are for the mini planner. I'll probably use that maybe next week because I don't have a Christmas kit, because I am going to work on my mini planner too. I haven't done one of those in a while. Here's like the big boxes, your stuff for like your sidebar. Here's the full boxes, check boxes, and then I've got these Christmas movie marathons. I got my Christmas countdown. I got the pill bottles I use, the I Feel Tired Tomorrow, the I Don't Feel Very Worky, the dishes, the shave, Coffee Monday. Oops, we got a few extras in here. We got some more of the Santa stickers. We got the gas, some little decorating for Christmas stickers. I want to use some of those. The laundry, getting crafty, planning, shopping, making the beds, Happy Friday, the trash, and then the little snowman. So we'll kind of get started and we'll see where we go from here. So let's get the kit out and let's get all the base stuff down. And then we'll add in the extras. I always like to start with the days of the week and all that. I am looking through here and I don't see numbers, which is alright. I can see them right there. I think I'm just going to use black ink this week. And then we'll just start numbering them. It is my last week of work. And a family member passed away, so I probably will have some funeral stuff this week. That's never fun any time of the year. Next is especially heartbreaking, I think, this time of the year. He was an important person to me. So we'll get through everything one step at a time. So we'll start with putting our days of the week up. I still have Christmas shopping to do. That little kitten has been sick, so I'm a little bit behind. The kitten is feeling much better, just in case anybody's concerned. I do believe that she just had an upset tummy, and she is on the mend. But let me tell you, when you got a little kitten that has an upset tummy, they don't quite make it to the litter box every time through no fault of its own. So I've done a lot of cleaning. Let me tell you, my house is so sparkly and cleany, so sparkling, you could eat off the floors. I wouldn't recommend it, but you could. Don't think I will be eating off my floors. But hey, you know, things happen. People get sick. And you know, I had a couple of people say, well, why didn't I put her in a cage? Or because that's not right. It was not its fault. It was sick. You know, I did kind of keep it to one room with a tile floor when I was gone at work because, you know, I still had to go to work. But, you know, there was still a mess to clean up when I got home. I mean, it's a baby. It was sick. So I took care of it. That's what I do. Since my babies are grown, I take care of other little babies. All right. So, I was thinking this kit had know if I've misplaced it, or if I just got the wrong sheets out. Well, that is a question. No, I'm digging through some stickers here. Sorry. Taking me a little extra minute. I thought I had, okay. I must have just misplaced them. Okay. Let's go ahead and we'll put down our full boxes. Like I said, I do have a few things to do this week. Alright, I'm going to turn it upside down. It's easier for me that way. And thankfully the headers here, they just blend right in. So I won't worry about changing out the colors. They match perfectly this week. So that is a super great thing. I don't know why it's easier for me to stick these stickers down upside down. Honestly, I couldn't tell you. It just is. I did try a new recipe today to make these little mini muffins. It makes like 6 dozen. So now I've got mini muffins coming out my ears. I mean, I guess that's a good thing, but I'll be eating muffins for 100 years. Alright, so we'll go with this week. We'll put the meal tracker in. We'll go with one little checkbox of things to do. And then we'll get our habit trackers in. And we'll use these super cute little red snowflakes down here just to fill the gap. Alright, so we got that so far. And I think I'm actually going to use some full check boxes where I usually don't. But I do feel like I want a little bit of extra color this week. Alright, back upside down. And I love the colors of this kit. Guys, we'll probably have Christmas dinner at my sister's Sunday this week, since, you know, everybody's so many different places to go for the holidays. And I'm going to leave the bottom a little more open so that I can put stuff in it. All right. So now we'll use some of these half boxes. Just to mark a few things I know I need to mark. And I'll leave a few others open, and I think that's the base part of the kit that I want to use. I do want my weekend banner. I almost forgot it. We'll stick it right down there. Put in a few little random of these coffee cups. I'm not a peppermint person at all, but I thought this kit was really cute. So I just wanted to put some little random bits here and there. Alright, so let's get these little Christmas countdown. We'll get them on. And I'm going to put them more towards the bottom because we are getting close. Christmas is next week. Well, I guess the week after. I am planning for next week now. But it is getting close. So I'm ready. I got the gifts for my little nephews today. Oops, that sticker was stuck to me. So I'm kind of excited for them to open them. Like I said, I have been watching a lot of Christmas movies. That's kind of what I do in the evenings, you know, because I'll wrap gifts and that kind of stuff while I'm watching movies. Now the weekend will be a little different, so I might add them back in later. Don't forget trash day. It is Friday, and it's also Christmas shutdown. So that's something to definitely celebrate. And I always usually take me a good long soaking bath on Saturday. I'm supposed to get Happy Meal tomorrow. The snowman is just cute. Hopefully I only have to clean my bed once. And I will need to get some grocery shopping and stuff done, just to finish everything up probably this weekend. And I do want to work on my planner Sunday. So I don't know if I'll be doing crafty stuff, but I will be doing laundry. So we'll put that in. And we'll put this here, like giving a candy cane, because it'll be Christmas dinner. And I'm sure I'll need to get gas probably Wednesday, I'm gonna guess. And I want to put a little snowman. Oh, he won't fit, so I'll put him right here. And as always, Monday is Coffee Monday. Number one thing on my to-do list for Monday. Saturdays, I always take care of that when I shave. I have quite a few dishes and stuff to do this weekend. Whoever feels worky on the last day before shutdown. Not me. And then we'll use a couple little pill bottles there just to keep track of that. So I think this will be my layout for the week. And I know the colors of these don't quite go, and that is all right. It's the theme more than the colors. So that is my spread for the week, and thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.